Good morning and welcome to our Disruptive DevSecOps virtual event. We're so glad you joined us this morning. My name is Michael Hoffman and I'm the president of Government CIO Media and Research. We are the leading solutions resource in federal IT. So like I said, we are excited to have you here this morning and join us on a topic that is really transforming the way government is tackling federal IT. From across agencies, and you're going to get to see some of the leaders from these places, whether it's from the United States Air Force, Army Futures Command, all the way to the Department of Veterans Affairs and Health and Human Services, and the Department of Homeland Security. My team has been working on covering this topic for quite a few years now, whether it's on our podcasts, our videos, and some of our events here. So what we've done is asked our researchers, our editors to come together and select some of the top thought leaders at these agencies, bring them together this morning and into this afternoon and talk about some of these topics. Some of those topics include infrastructure as code, as well as artificial intelligence and others. Before we move on to our first speakers, what I'd like to do is really thank our sponsor, Dell Technologies. Without their support for this morning, it wouldn't be possible. So I really want to thank Dell Technologies for supporting us this morning. And you're going to get to get a chance to hear from one of their leaders in this space this morning. So I also want to encourage everybody who's watching from home to take part in social media in using the hashtag #DigitalCIO. We want to make sure too that everybody who's watching has a chance to ask questions. So below the video player that you see this morning, you have a chance to ask questions, and those questions will be sent directly to our editors, who will send them over to our moderators and include you this morning. So like I said, we're really excited for this morning. We have a great audience who's a part of this, so we really want to push forward that discussion there. So without further ado, I want to hand off to our first panel, which is going to be a keynote with two of the top leaders in the Air Force. Both the Chief Software Officer as well as the Deputy CIO. That panel is going to be moderated by our Managing Editor, Amy Kluber. So with that, Amy, I'm going to hand it off to you and you can take it away.